A very good morning and welcome to another vlog from New Zealand. So today we will be riding a tram which is operated by MOTAT, that is the Museum of Transport and Technology, and this is nearly 100-year-old tram. So the tram ride is almost a 1.5 kilometer circular loop, and it is situated in the Wynyard Quarters. You have a ticket of $2 for adults and $1 for kids. There are 4 stops, and once you buy the tickets, you're all good to go as many times hop in hop out till 4 p.m. This is not a regular service, guys, so this runs on Sundays, on long weekends, and on specific public holidays.
We pay by the card, or how do we get the tickets for this?
I can do the tickets. It's $2 per adult.
Oh,
Okay. And I've got cash and card, whichever one's better for you.
yeah, $2. It's okay if I take your video, right?
Yeah, that's all good.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great, well, good afternoon to those of you who've just joined us, and welcome aboard Panuku Development Auckland's Dockline Tram. Just quickly, this tram you're riding in today is number 466, and is originally from Melbourne, Australia, where it was first built in 1926, so almost 100 years old for this tram.
So the tram is really well kept. The public address system is pretty decent. You can hear it throughout the tram. Also, the tram is accessible. The doors are wide enough for a wheelchair to come in, but in case if you're on your own and need assistance, then you'll have to pre-intimate the tram team, and you can then board it from the tram stop that they have through some assistance. So I think they have one stop which is accessible through a wheelchair. Otherwise the wheelchairs will have to be lifted onto the tram.
This microphone was a monk. He was in command of the ship. He never lost a single man, and nor did the ship suffer any serious damage, despite all the battles they fought. He was known to the crew as the lucky captain.
So we've come to the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you like the vlog. Till we meet again, do take care of yourself and stay safe.